Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at a mobile video editor called Splice. This is from the same people who make GoPro action cameras, so it makes sense they would have their own software for editing video. It's super intuitive, and like I say with all software, make sure you get stuck in, load some footage, have an edit, have a play around with it and see if you like it. And it's a good piece of software and it's free. This is a basic demonstration of a few of the functions so you can see what it looks and feels like. So let's edit some video. Okay, so let's open the app and start a new project. And we're going to load some video in here as well. I'm going to change the title of this clip. Band Life. I'm going to activate animated photos and make sure I'm shooting in landscape. So now my footage has loaded. Let's just press play and see what that goes like. And scrolling along, you can see I have my timeline. So I'm going to select some text and put some text over the top of this. And this is recording new material. And that's going to sit on there. And I'll have a play around and a format and see what I can do with this. But I'll just have a go at selecting that text and moving it around and resizing it and where I want that text to come up on the video. And as you can see, it goes yellow when I select it by pressing on it, but I can change the length of this by dragging at either end. And I can make that shorter and position it where I want at the beginning of this video. So now I'm just going to have a play around with the fonts and the colours and see how I can format that text there. Switch through these fonts. Right, okay, I've got some effects. I'm going to try this effect and see what this does. You can see there are some interesting effects that can bend and warp stuff. So I'll just add a little intro screen there, just GN Studios Huddersfield. I can add more there. I could do some more titling just to make the video more dynamic. But next I want to have a look at some transitions, and I want to get the footage and cut it and do the splicing. And the splicing tool is in the bottom. There we go. There's the split, call it the split tool. So I'm going to split that footage. And we can see we have left and a right hand side. And I'm going to put a transition across there to make it look like it's got a glitch. And there it is. There's the glitch. I'm going to choose whip. And you can see I got this cool rollover effect here, guys. Look at that. A real roll over now. So I've just about finished editing. Let's export that video and we'll look at the settings in the export screen. As you can see, we can choose 1080p and we can then save this. We've got to render this off, export this video, and then we can upload it to YouTube. So that video is recorded to my camera roll and it is successfully exported. There we go, guys. I'll see you in the next bit.